So here's my 1997 Kawasaki DR200SE, and I've been having misfires at high RPMs and ohmed out the ignition coil, and it ohmed out too high. I think it's supposed to ohm out between 10,000 and 15,000 ohms, and mine was 25. But I've discovered that all you have to do is unscrew the spark plug cap. You see there's a screw right there. There's the wire that it screws into. Take a flat screwdriver and unscrew that brass thing. Now be careful, because there's this little disc, and then there's this, I think it's a silver cylinder. Clean the ends of all these things with sandpaper, grease them, put them back together, and you might solve your problem.